palm oil, olive oil. I'll probably just use palm oil. Onion, bell pepper, which I have in the refrigerator. The palm, the tomato, coconut milk, which I have in the pantry, and some parsley, which I have in the refrigerator as well. Alright, here we have it, Moqueca de Palmito. Moment of truth. There's a heart of palm right there. I really taste the onions. I don't taste much of the other spices though. I add a cumin, paprika, coriander. Even the coconut milk is subtle. The palm has a slightly tangy flavor. I think I cooked it for about 40 minutes maybe. All the veggies are very soft, so it's easy to chew and swallow. It's warm and comforting. Well, for our South American dish, thumbs up. That was delicious.